Hey everybody, Vallman here, and this Tuesday night I've got a break of TOPPS blaster box that I'm going to do. I have kind of had this for a while and kind of thought I would give it a break, and haven't broken a lot of these chrome, but I really need to go out and just buy a hobby or a jumbo and do one of these. But anyways, I thought I'd do a quick break tonight. Hope everyone is having a good afternoon and a good week. All right, here we go. All right, let's see what we can. Hopefully, we can find some good cards here. All right, here we go. All right, let's see what we got here in the first pack. All right, man, these are good looking cards. All right, here we got Kyle Schwarber, Gio Urshela, Albert Pujols, Tyler Glasnow. Yeah, I'm thinking about maybe just getting some of the Bowman Chrome. I've always liked Bowman. All right, let's see what we've got here. We've got here Trey Turner. And we got AJ Puck. We've got Gene Segura and Logan Webb. All right, Dan Vogelbach. And we've got Ian Desmond. And we got Fernando. Gold Cup. Great looking card there. And we got Aaron Savali. Get a little closer here. Need to get me a hobby just so I can try to pull some autos. I just have not gotten around to getting any. Carlos Santana, Marcus Semien, D. Gordon, and Brandon McKay, rookie. There we go. Good looking card. All right, Xander Bogart. There we go, Nolan Arenado, 85. Good looking card. A little piece of something on his mouth there. Corey Kluber. And Jose Urquidy for the team that we must not be named. All right, let's see here. Acuna. Pretty cool looking card there. Justin Dunn. Elvis Andrus. And David Peralta. Yep, the playoffs are getting, well, not the playoffs, but We're getting close to the playoffs, and it'll be an interesting World Series since there's so few games compared to the normal season. All right, here we go. Whit Merrifield. And we got a freshman flash. Zon Diaz. Those are pretty cool looking cards there. Tommy Edman. And Tim Anderson, angry about getting struck out, I guess. All right. And Yordan Alvarez, Gold Cup rookie. Hopefully he'll come back next year strong. I don't think he's going to be playing the rest of this year. And we got future stars William Astudillo, Max Schwarzer, and Jesus Luzardo. All right, let's get us a Luis Roberts or Kyle Lewis. All right. So we've got here Orlando Aricia, Trevor Story, Danny Jansen with the school teacher glasses, and Jorge Soler. All right, let's see. Hopefully, still waiting on Luis or Kyle. All right, let's see what we got here. There's Luis Ariz. And we've got here Pablo Lopez, got a shimmer, I think. And we've got the Ramon Laureano and Eugenio Suarez. Nothing great in that pack. All right, let's get the X Factor cards here. Hopefully we'll get something good in here. I don't know if they have autos in here. I'm assuming they would, but I am not sure. All right, we got here Mike Soroka Gold. Those are pretty good looking cards. Miguel Cabrera. Lorenzo Cain. Emir Calendario. And Josh Hader. That's pretty cool. Alright, last pack. Hopefully we'll get something good here. Alright, let's see here. And we have got here Travis DeMeretti. Colin Moran. Alex Bregman. Manny Machado. And then Vladdy Guerrero Jr. Gold Cup. That's a good looking card. Cool. Well, not too crazy stuff. Good pulls, but it's not too bad either. So it was cool to be able to do a quick little video and just kind of always enjoy pulling these cards. They're just classy look to them. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of the week, and I hope you guys get all the cards you look for, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Feel free to subscribe and like, and have a great week, guys. Take care.